Hey there, nail art enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of nail art, where creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, nail art is an incredible way to express yourself and show off your personality through your fingertips. Now, let's talk about different techniques you can try. The classic French manicure is always a winner, but why not spice it up by adding some glitter or a pop of color? Another trendy technique is ombre nails, where you blend two or more colors seamlessly, creating a gorgeous gradient effect. If you're feeling adventurous, why not experiment with some nail stamping? It's a fun way to transfer intricate patterns and designs onto your nails with ease. And, of course, we can't forget about the ever-popular nail decals and stickers. They come in an endless variety of shapes, sizes, and themes, allowing you to create unique and eye-catching designs in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun with it. Nail art is all about embracing your creativity and rocking your own personal style. So get out there and let your nails be your canvas.